How to delete a GitHub repository. Then first of all go to github.com. Then go to the repository that you want to delete. Then here you can see the option of settings. Go to settings, and at the bottom you can see here the option in the danger zone. Delete this repository. But remember, before deleting the repository, once you delete the repository, once the repository is deleted, there's no going back. And then click here and delete, and you can delete the repository. It will ask to type the name, and you will need your GitHub password. Or you can use the GitHub mobile option. And you have to authenticate from your mobile. And yes, the repository is deleted. Your repository was deleted successfully.